Most people are using Sora 2 like it's just a tiny pistol, when in reality, it's a full-on rifle. No joke, people out there are creating crazy good videos with it and pulling in millions of views, while others still struggle to even write a proper prompt. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make professional level videos using Sora 2 the right way. But before we dive in, just a quick favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and let's get started.
Yeah.
Alright, let's say I've got this video where a cat is dancing. Yeah, it looks pretty funny, right? Now I want to turn that cat into a lion. All I have to do is click on the remix button and simply type, replace the cat with a lion, then hit next, and that's literally it. This remix feature lets you recreate any video without writing long, complicated prompts or rebuilding the whole thing from scratch. Now check out the result.
Leo! Oh, what are you? Drop it! Don't you dare! Easy, he's just a lion.
Everything else stays perfectly consistent, and the cat has been replaced with a lion. Let's look at another example.
Is going for a swim.
Here's a video showing a baby duck. This lady releases it into the water. Now, I want to replace that baby duck with a fish. Again, we'll click the remix button and type,
My duck
replace the baby duck with a fish.
is going for a swim.
Now watch.
My fish Bubbles is going for a swim.
Everything else stays the same. Sora just swapped the duck with a fish, keeping everything super consistent. That's the power of this feature. But here's the thing. What if the video you have in mind isn't in the trending section? What do you do then? Well, in that case, you'll need to write a prompt yourself. But don't worry. Just head over to ChatGPT's custom GPT bot. Links in the description. It's specially designed for YouTubers. Once you're there, just type your idea. For example, I might say, I want to create a 10-second clip, and then describe my idea. Right now, I've got a concept for a giant monster movie trailer, so I'll just give it a short, simple prompt. After that, hit next, and the GPT bot instantly generates a full, detailed script for you. That's the real advantage of this custom GPT bot. It does all the hard creative work. Now copy that script and go back to Sora 2. Paste the same prompt you got from ChatGPT into the text box. Then click the settings icon, choose your video layout, I'll go with landscape, and hit run prompt. After a few seconds, your video is ready.
Something ancient has awakened.
And honestly, it's so realistic that you can't even tell it's AI generated. It looks completely natural. Let's do one more quick example. This time, I'll tell ChatGPT, create a 15-second cartoon video. Then I'll add my idea right after that. Whatever your concept is, just explain it briefly. The bot will handle everything else for you. After a short wait, ChatGPT writes the full script. Copy it again, paste it into Sora 2, hit run, and wait a few seconds, and boom, your video is done.
Bro, I swear, I could be a supermodel.
Yeah, for scarecrows.
Oh, really? Watch this pose.
Wow, the pigeons are running already.
See, no one can resist this charm.
Except that car. Wait,
What
what?
car? You think I'm irresistible?
Yeah, 2 accidents.
Guys, seriously, people used to spend months creating videos like this. But now, AI has made it so much faster and easier. Now the big question, how do you get Sora 2 for free? Super simple. Just open Google and search Sora 2 invite code Reddit. Then open the first link. People share free invite codes there every single day. Grab one quickly before it's gone and start creating. So, how'd you like this video? If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments what topic you want next. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and peace out.